ואני רוצה לומר לכם, אני לפני 25 שנה בערך, כשהוקמה אגודה, ואשתי אמרה לי שיש דבר כזה שחסר לאנשים מה לאכול, אני התקוממתי נגד זה. אני יליד הארץ, ואני יודע שיש ביטוח לאומי, ויש זה, ויש זה, וזה כנראה לא רוצים לעבוד, וכנראה ככה, ומדוע צריך, ושאלתי את כל הקושיות. ואשתי הלכה לסחוב במו ידיה, וכך התחיל יד אליעזר. וכשאני נכנסתי לתמונה זה כי אני אתוודה, אני הלכתי להראות לאשתי שאין דבר כזה. הלכתי במו ידיי להביא למשפחות, ואני נדהמתי. אני הכרתי משפחות, הרי בארץ זה ככה, אנשים לחוצים, אומרים אני אשתגע, אני אשתגע. ואני הכרתי אנשים לפני שהשתגעו, שהם אמרו לי, כן, לפני שהם קיבלו את המחלה.
Yad Eliezer never planned on having a baby formula program. A few years ago, Mrs. Wiesel met a lady she knew in Jerusalem, and she noticed that the child she was with, 8 years old, his head was bobbing on his shoulders. And Mrs. Wiesel asked him what happened. And the friend explained that when the child was younger, she couldn't nurse enough, and she couldn't buy enough formula. So instead of adding water to the soup, she added water to the formula. Tragically, the baby suffered. And today, the child, 8 years old, is no longer able to support his head.
When babies don't get enough nutrition, especially the first 2 years or so of life, they don't grow well, weight-wise, length-wise, and that has impact on their subsequent final growth. Also, they don't develop as well muscle-wise. They lag behind in reaching developmental milestones, and it can also affect their intellectual functioning even long-term. There have been studies to show that babies who fail to thrive, as we call it, usually because they don't get enough calories, can have 10 or more points lower on their ultimate IQ scores as a result of inadequate feeding. So it's very vital that a baby get the proper nutrition the first couple of years of life.
Mrs. Wiesel said this can't be. Something has to be done. Formula, Materna, has to be provided. And Yad Eliezer provided the family with formula.
We do see babies who fail to thrive, and the most common reason for babies failing to thrive is a lack of nutrition. And sometimes you see it because a mother is really diluting a formula, or just wasn't aware that the baby needed to be getting a certain amount of formula and was really just satisfied with giving the baby a lot of solid food or whatever solid food the baby would take, thinking that the baby is getting adequate nutrition when he really needed to be getting a certain half a liter or so of infant formula, and he was deprived of that.
According to the latest Israeli government statistics, 1 in 3 Israeli babies are living well below the poverty line. That means that their parents are unable to provide them with the basic nutrition that a baby needs in order to develop properly. Yad Eliezer is currently providing formula for over 1,800 babies every single month. With your help, we can do a lot more.
ניסינו, אחרי שהוא נולד, בעלי הפסיק את העבודה. ניסינו הנקה ולא הלך. נודע ליד אליעזר שהמצב שלנו קשה, והם תרמו לנו מטרנות, וזה עזר לנו מאוד ושימח אותנו מאוד וריגש אותנו מאוד שאנשים חושבים עלינו ודואגים לנו.
A little while ago from the south of the country, we were contacted. A father, tragically his wife passed away. They had an infant in the house and no one to feed the child. Yad Eliezer is providing formula. Today, over 1,800 children in Israel are receiving formula from Yad Eliezer. the requests are constant.
It's clear that the most common reason for failing to thrive is inadequate nutrition. So I'm sure, especially in today's day and age and situation in Israel, that for many families the cost of infant formula is just too hard to bear by themselves.
Just a little while ago, in the center of the country, a mother gave birth and afterwards was no longer mentally able to function and feed her child. Yad Eliezer was contacted, and today we're providing formula for that child as well. It's one area Yad Eliezer is involved in, but thank God, making a tremendous difference.
Yeah, I think what Yad Eliezer is doing is really incredible in providing the means for close to 2,000 families to give their babies basic baby formula, something we take for granted, certainly in the States, and many families here in Israel just sort of take it for granted, but 2,000 families are being supported with this formula, and that makes a tremendous difference for the kind of babies that are going to be growing up here, with all that we know about how important it is to get the proper nutrition in the early years.
אליעזר פה מושיט יד להציל את זולתו, זה יד אליעזר. יש משפחה רעבה, יש משפחה נצרכת, יש נזקקים לאוכל, לכסות, לקורת גג, לטיפול רפואי, לכל צורך אנושי מינימלי. אנחנו פה להושיט לך יד. זאת יד אליעזר.
Your donation really makes the difference.
השתבח שמו, ברוך השם הילד בריא ושלם, השתבח שמו, ושימשיך להיות ככה בעזרת השם.